Microbiology Bio 201 Bacterial Transformation Lab 5. So what we're going to do is we're going to start out with some E. coli, plain old E. coli, incompetent, nothing special about them. And we're going to take those and we're going to turn some of those green or have them glow in the dark. We're going to do that by using this plasmid along with another solution. So we start out with the GFP, which is the green fluorescent protein that's going to be activated by the RSC gene, and that is going to be activated by adding ribulose, which is the sugar that we add for that, and that turns that one on. Now the BLA gene, which is this one over here, that's going to be always on because it's always going to be resisting the ampicillin that we're going to be adding to the media. So it's basically building an R factor. Alright, so we're going to take this ice bath, or this cold bath, and we're going to add, it's supposed to be calcium chloride, but we're going to be adding sodium chloride, which is salt. To add that, we got to add some kind of a salt to it. Then we take this and we place it into the cold bath, the E. coli, to make them competent. We take that and we're going to go ahead and add that plasmid to it. So we go ahead and we add that plasmid, and then we do what they call a heat shock, which is basically taking out the E. coli and placing them back into a warm bath. We leave it in for about 50 seconds. Then we take that out and we put it back into a cold one. Now, some of these are going to change and some of these are not. So we'll go ahead and get done with that. Now, some of these are going to be positive. Are going to be P-glow positive, and some of these are going to be P-glow negative. Now, the P-glow negative ones are both going to be added to different media. We're using the chicken broth, and we're going to add the ampicillin. Now, when that ampicillin is added, those P-glow negative ones are going to die. Then we're going to go ahead and take my spoon here, and we're going to add ribulose, which is the sugar. Take that, pretending we're go ahead and adding the sugar. Then we're going to go ahead and come back and put it against light. I'm not sure if you can see that very well, but we're going to go ahead and they're going to glow in the dark. And that is bacterial transformation.